Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Amalia and one of my New Year intentions, as I like to call them, was to try out new mediums. I specifically wanted to try oil pastels and paint markers, and I got both of those for Christmas. So in this video I'm trying out oil pastels, and in another video, probably in like 2 or 3 weeks maybe, I will test out paint markers. Okay, so to start off I am going to get my laptop and I'm going to open the tutorial that I've found for myself to do. I planned this video a while ago, earlier on this week, and I don't remember what tutorial I set aside for myself to follow for this video. So this is going to be as much of a surprise as it is to you. The tutorial will be linked in the description. I hope you like it. I think it's a really cool drawing, so we'll see how it goes. I've got to open up I've got to open up my pastels first. There we go. Okay, so I've got my water and I'm going to change the angle of the camera so that you can see what I'm doing, because you're just going to see my face in time lapse for the whole video otherwise. So yeah, get yourself some water. I don't know if you're also drawing while watching this. If you are, get your supplies ready and let's get started. Also, if you have any experience with oil pastels and I'm doing something terribly wrong, please do let me know. I'm here to learn and I value your advice. So I followed the tutorial for this completely step by step, but I started out by sketching around where the moon is going to be in dark blue, and from what I've understood, with oil pastels you want to leave the white space for the white instead of going in with a white pastel. So yeah, I started out blocking in the blue colour, and then as you can see I realised that I was missing some washi tape. Don't really know what happened there, because I definitely had all 4 pieces of washi tape stuck on my page before I started. But then I went in with the light blue and blocked that out as well. I think I should have pressed down on the pastels harder, because you will see later on I struggled to blend it all together with my tissue. Maybe it was the tissue that was an issue, and as you can see here I was trying to make a reel to go with this video, but the reel got deleted. I went to film the last clip and I somehow deleted the previous clips, so that's my Instagram and TikTok content out the window for this video, but it is what it is. We move, I suppose. And then it was time to block in the black part as well for the sky. Somehow I find it really satisfying to watch myself use the pastels when it's sped up. I think it's quite satisfying to watch. But then it was time to blend the colours, and as you can see I did struggle here quite a bit. I don't know if it was the tissue, I don't know if I wasn't pressing down hard enough on the pastels, but yeah, I don't know if that's what it's just meant to be like and I'm just not used to it, but whenever I've seen videos people make it look so easy to blend the colours. So yeah, I was not shocked, but I was surprised by how difficult it actually was to blend the colours, and you will see later on, yeah exactly, I added more colour, pressed down a little bit harder in the hopes to make it easier, and it kind of did. Rubbing the pastels is proving a lot harder than I anticipated, so, and I think that's because I haven't got enough colour on the paper. I think I'm going to struggle with the black, so I will end up going in with some more and pressing down a bit harder, just to make it easier for myself. And I've also been adding more blue in some areas and just mixing it all together. So as you can see, this was a lot of trial and error, just trying to get the colours to mix and make them look presentable. And yeah, my washi tape kept coming off the page and it was really annoying me, but I eventually moved past that, and as you can see, the black blended pretty well. There was a few white spots, but I was going to add in white dots for the stars anyway, so I figured it would just look like faint stars in the background. Coloured the area around the moon with a white pastel, just to make it a bit brighter, to give off the illusion of light. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. What did I do next? Just blend it in again. So it was then time to add the stars, and I did that by putting loads of acrylic paint on a paintbrush and tapping it against another paintbrush to create the speckles. Went with some more acrylic paint around the moon and added some light blue to create the shading, to make it look A, three-dimensional, and B, to make it look like the moon has some craters and some dimension to it. And then I attempted to add some clouds with the white, pastel, but I quickly gave up on that, to be honest. As the tutorial said, I made a little platform bit where I was gonna draw a little person to sit on. And I actually did lose a bit of footage, but I added a couple of shooting stars and some highlights on the person where he would be lit up by the moon. And yeah. So I have just finished my first ever drawing with oil pastels, and I am so happy with it. Obviously there's a lot of space for improvement, but that's what it's all about. The more you practice, the better you get. And to say that this was my first go at oil pastels, I'm pretty happy with it. I think this is really cool. And the video I use as a guide is of course linked in the description, so if you want to go check it out. If you want a tutorial on this, then definitely go have a look at it. As I said, the link will be in the description. And yeah, I am over the moon with this. It's now time for me to clean up. I won't bore you with that. So yeah, I'm just going to say goodbye now. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, why not give this video a thumbs up and subscribe below. As I said earlier on in the video, I am going to make a similar video where I try out paint markers for the first time. So if you want to watch that, I'll post it in probably 2 or 3 weeks. I want to space it out a bit. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I will hopefully see you in my next video next week. Bye!